Okay. So whenever you're going to start going into the power dialer, obviously these are people who are follow-up sequences, but we're not going to really focus on that. You're going to hit Let's Start. I'm not going to do that because I do not want to call these people quite right now. So instead, let's say we're going through it and it pops up on this person. So right away, you're going to be able to see if you've called them before. And yes, my name has been called quite a bit because I'm doing this for, whatever purposes. So let's say you're making the phone call, and during the phone call, you are now getting the email. So first things first, as the script goes, you get the email. So it's going to be Danny at Josh and Danny SEO.com. The next question that follows that is obviously, I didn't catch your name. What was it? It's Danny. Great. Or Daniel. Are you going to be the one watching this, Daniel? Yes, I will. So obviously the first question is now I know I spoke to Danny. And the second question is Danny is the owner? I need these three pieces of information because then I'm going to go over here. Well, when you load it up, I now can look at this and I can fulfill exactly what I'm supposed to do. But what does this mean for you? Now that you got a yes, you're going to go over here to the tags and you're going to type in yes. It's going to create a tag and it's going to let me know that I now have something to do. So there we go. And then I'm going to hit, well, not save. I'm just simply going to go to the next person, and that is it.